Okay, today is another day that I'm gonna do the spark plug change on my 911 991.1. So what first you need to do is this two 8mm bolt that go right here between this little bolt and then this one in the back right there to remove the heat shield. So once you remove the heat shield, there's this T30. I use one of the socket T30 along with the extension. One of these extensions to remove it. It's very easy. So once you remove it out, then I would take this flathead screwdriver, put on the bottom, and then pull it up from the top and just yank out the coil. It's very easy peasy. Now all I need to do is just take out the spark plug. This is about 50,000 miles, so looks pretty decent. I don't see any issues. And again, I don't drive this car that hard, so. But like I said, it's pretty easy to do your own spark plug change. The only difficult thing will be this one. So I believe there's two bolts right here or one bolt right here where you gotta take it out, and then this whole thing will come out for you to access the coil right here. Alright, thank you. Alright, so this is the passenger side. It's the same concept as the driver side. There's two bolts that right there, that's tie the heat shield. As you can see, these two heat shield right here, 10mm or 8mm, I'm sorry, 8mm that you can use to open them. And then I used a T30 to open. Here's the first coil. It'll go right in here and you can open. I already changed this one, and I'm doing the second one right here, and then there'll be the coil right there that one take out. It's a very simple process. It doesn't take a lot of time. I did the other side about 10 minutes, and this side is almost half done. So and the dealer won't charge over $1,500, $2,000 for this, which is ridiculous. Well, hope you guys know how to do it. And another item, if just a reminder, when you try and take out this bolt that hold the coil, make sure when you turn it, you have another hand under it. I made a mistake, and this bolt dropped down here, and I have to use one of my magnet stick, dip in and try and take it out. And then very similar to this one and this one, you want to put your hand under it, or else the bolt, when you trying to remove it, it's gonna drop right in the bottom, in this bottom heat shield right here. All right, thanks for watching.